Australian motorcycle champion with his prize, as well as the winning constructor, the Honourable Tim Holding MP, Minister for Tourism and Major Events. And the 2008 Australian Grand Prix champion, Casey Stoner. And the winning constructor, Christian Tabarini. Ladies and gentlemen, I now ask you to be standing for the national anthem of Australia. Yes, as you said, Ken, if we didn't have to hear the Australian one, the other one too would suffice, but we don't need to worry because we got to hear the most important one at the end of the day.
And that's the one that counts. What a great race. Look, Casey just shot out there into the lead, but just seeing the doctors right again through the pack. Nicky Hayden trying to go with Casey. Look at that battle from 4th, 5th, 6th and 7th. Unbelievable. Of course, the man that presented the trophies there to both Nicky Hayden and Valentino, Rossi, James Strong.
Are committed to motorcycles.
Yeah, and quite often he and his wife have ridden down from Sydney to get to the Grand Prix, so while he might be a board member of the Grand Prix Corporation, he's also a behind-the-bars motorcycle rider, ex-CEO of Qantas Airways, and currently involved with a number of major Australian companies. He's been a great supporter of motorcycle racing. He's been a supporter of Casey Stoner right from his early days, so it'll be a big thrill for James Strong to see Casey Stoner on the top step of the podium.